Really interesting research this from Dan Hansen, our senior UK economist at Bloomberg Economics. He's used the shock function on the terminal, SHOK, and he finds that if rates go to 6%, as some traders reckon they will here in the UK, there'll be a 2% hit to UK GDP. Now, this is not where our economists reckon rates are going to go. They reckon that rates will peak at 5% in August. But of course, we've got this Bank of England decision this week. We've got the inflation data tomorrow, as you say. And if we get yet another upside inflation surprise, you may get some on the committee who are tempted to vote for a half-point hike. And yes, we've got this lag in monetary transmission. But if the upside inflation surprises keep on coming, it's going to be very difficult for the Bank of England to stop the hikes.
There's another front that you're looking at in terms of the clamour for more investment to drive UK growth. What's going to underpin that? Where is it going to come from?
Well, of course, it's one of Rishi Sunak's top 5 priorities, not just halving inflation by the end of the year, but also to grow the economy. So that monetary policy impact is difficult. Also, there's a report from the IPPR, the Institute for Public Policy Research today. It says that years of underinvestment are holding back growth in the UK, particularly in the green industries. And it uses the term investment phobia. It comes back to this criticism from Catherine Mann, the Bank of England policy maker, recently in an essay for the Resolution Foundation think tank. She says that Britain is lacking the long-term thinking about the economy, that it's lurching from crisis to crisis, whether that's Brexit, the pandemic, the war in Ukraine. And it also chimes with the annual World Competitiveness ranking that's come out from the International Institute for Management Development today. The UK has dropped 6 places to 29th out of 64 countries. And it comes down to what they call government incompetence, but also increased bureaucracy despite Brexit. We were promised this bonfire of Brexit red tape. It seems, Yusuf, that has gone on the bonfire itself.
Talk to me about what you're seeing around the areas that you live in and commute through when it comes to home prices, because this is a story that's capturing the world's attention at the moment.
Yeah, Yusuf, I cycle to the Bloomberg office, so I cycle through various neighbourhoods of London. But what we have seen is that house prices in London are expected to fall, whereas in the rest of the UK, they're expected to be on hold. So it's a good time if you want to move to London, perhaps from other parts of the UK.